The following quick how-to video will walk you through the steps to achieve the best possible results using Meguiar's heavy-duty trim restoration kit. This robust trim restoration solution stands out from the rest and thanks to a unique and crucial surface preparation step, so pay close attention. Step 1. Start by deep cleaning the plastic trim with ample amounts of cleaning solution onto either a damp microfiber towel or wash mitt. Scrub the trim thoroughly with a moderate pressure to ensure deep cleaning. Either rinse with water or use a damp microfiber towel to remove the remaining cleaning solution, dirt, or residue. Allow the trim to fully dry. Be sure to remove water from cracks or crevices and inspect with sufficient lighting to ensure even cleaning before proceeding to Step 2. Step 2. While wearing a suitable glove, apply a generous amount of trim shield to the edge of the long side of the included foam applicator pad. To reduce the chance of lines or uneven application, start by applying the product to the top of the trim piece, wiping in a continuous side-to-side horizontal motions. There should be enough product on the applicator pad to wipe up to 36 consecutive inches before applying more product to the applicator. If mild dripping occurs, do not panic. This is okay. Using slightly overlapping passes and working your way from top to bottom, gather the excess product or drips to even out the application. Be sure to keep the applicator loaded with product for best results. Do not apply until the pad becomes dry to avoid streaking. Dispose of gloves and wash hands thoroughly immediately after use. Final thoughts. 1. Minimize the amount of follow-up touches and touch-up wipes, but if they must be performed, do them immediately when possible to avoid uneven finish. 2. Do not attempt to apply additional coats. 3. Avoid moisture and touching for 24 hours to allow for full cure. And there you have it. In a few easy steps, you've restored your exterior trim appearance using Meguiar's heavy-duty restoration kit.